Hello guys, today we're going to be walking you through how to actually make an order online on the Rin Robyn website. So first things first, you've gone to rinrobyn.com and you're on the homepage. Fantastic. Next thing we're going to do is click right here, shop online for pool and hot tub stuff. Click that right there and you'll be taken to this page right here, where it shows all types of different products, things like Saltscape, Backup 2, and if you click Quick View right here, let me move myself over here. If you click Quick View when it pops up right here, it'll give you exactly that, a quick view of the product, showing you some pictures, showing you a brief description, etc., and you can add it to the cart directly there. Or you have options on the left side right here to check if we actually deliver to your zip code, so you can enter that in there. You could actually log into your account right here, and you can search for products and click different product categories. So let's do an example of us bringing 5-way into our cart. So I'm going to just click right here, add to cart, and just like any other cart system, it's going to open up right here. It's been added. I personally like viewing my cart first. Awesome. Looks good. 16 bucks. Proceed to checkout. Fantastic. And then you would go through the regular process to fill out your billing information, your shipping information, and then make sure you check this box off right here once you've filled everything out, and then go ahead and place your order. And that is how to successfully place your order on our Rin Robyn website.